Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're most welcome as well. So today's reading is going to be the October love reading for you. So first we are going to tap onto your energy as usual. Okay, Sagittarius, if you want a personal reading with me, details are in the description box. Alright Sagittarius, let us see how your overall energy is. Spirit guides and angels, the overall energy of the Sagittarius collective who are with me right now, please source us clearly. Thank you very much. Overall energy of the Sagittarius collective at the moment. Thank you. Okay, let's see. This is your energy. Ooh, Ace of Wands. I see passion, you being very much passionate about something, someone, or I'm hearing vacation for some reason. I don't know. Maybe you are looking forward to some sort of vacation with certain someone. Ooh, wow. So at the bottom of the deck in your energy is Eight of Cups. So it seems like for many of you, wow, I was actually getting this vibe before even starting this reading, which I should definitely share now because the message that is coming through is complying to my intuitive thought regarding your reading. So what I'm sensing is that you're walking away from someone, and this is giving you so much of peace, is what I'm sensing over here. Someone's presence in your life, Sagittarius, was very very toxic for you. Although you had realized it long time back, you couldn't really let go of that situation because you felt like this person is going to change. Things are going to change eventually. I have to be patient. If I keep on running away from all the opportunities, then I'm not going to get anything in my life. Basically that is what you thought, and you clinged on to that connection for some time. But over time you realize that the definitely I'm talking about a specific person because the Lovers card is here, and then Three of Pentacles. I see you actually now determined to going out there, being out and about, putting yourself out there in the universe. And you are in this determination mode of manifesting your soulmate. You basically don't know who that is as of now. There could be options around you, but you know if I ask you right now, then you cannot tell who exactly is your soulmate, but you are on the mission to now find that person, and you are out and about. You are going and meeting people. So basically this is the card of communication, the card of collaboration, teaming up and stuff like that. But over here there are three people who are communicating with each other, who are trying to work certain thing out. So what I'm seeing is that you being Sagittarius, when you were in this connection with this individual, you had cut yourself off completely from the community which you belong to. I mean, from your family members also, there was some level of gap. From your friends also you were aloof, and not because you wanted to do so, but because that connection was very much consuming, and plus you were very much dedicated towards that person. So you were very much investing all your time, yeah, emotions, and the rest of the things were also there, but you invested all your time into that person. You gave a lot of attention, and eventually you came to realize that I'm not getting back whatever I'm extending, so it is time for me to think logically. So now you're walking away from this person, and you are like pretty much determined. This is the card of determination for me today, to go out and to look for people. Basically you are very passionate about now manifesting that ultimate one. Okay, probably you hadn't wanted it this bad before, is the sense that I'm getting, Sagittarius. Ooh, wow, lovely energy. See, in that way I don't feel like many of you would want this person back. Maybe if this person changes and has that much of caliber to come back correct in front of you, then you might take this person back. But even if this person doesn't come back, it won't hurt you anymore, because this person's ideology towards love is to some extent very unattractive for you now, is the sense that I'm getting. You have understood that, what I want, when it comes to love connection, and what this person is, capable of offering when it comes to love connection is, it is differing, and I don't want this. This is basically not attractive for me anymore. But anyway, for some of you, this person thought towards you might, interest to some extent. So let us pull out some cards, but then I'd like to strongly see the prospect of new love connection for you in the near future as well. I'm very excited for that, because you are in this lovely energy, Ace of Wands, looking for that new beginning in love, going out there, exploring options, and pretty much, manifesting your soulmate. While doing that, you are taking care of yourself finally, because you are walking away from toxicity. Okay, Sagittarius, what is this particular person, whoever is in your mind right now, thinking about you, thinking about you at this moment? Okay, what is this person who is in Sagittarius's mind, feeling and thinking about Sagittarius at this moment, their energy towards Sagittarius at the moment? Wow, Ace of Cups. This person is now all ready to express his or her feelings for you. My goodness, and they know, they see your worth, basically. The High Priestess. Page of Cups, the Messenger. So yeah, you might be receiving a message through a messenger, app. Or maybe, some friend might bring that message to you. That can also happen. But I see some sort of text message related to the confession of, feelings, emotions. This is literally like, someone wanting new beginning with you. If you have had certain level of communication gap, um, between whatever went on in the recent past and your current scenario, then definitely, this person is wanting to come back and communicate with you, finally express his or her feelings to you, and to allow himself or herself to be vulnerable, for you this time around. This person is strongly feeling, like they have a lot of emotions for you, and it's not getting an outlet right now, and only you are capable of bringing that out in him or her, is the sense that I'm getting. This person, realizes that no one had been able to take this side out, you know in me, other than Sagittarius. This person is finally feeling that, and they feel like you are very intuitive, you are very intelligent, you are a lady or a gentleman of class. You have the manner of sophistication, and your sophistication comes from here, because this is the High Priestess, someone very intuitive, someone who is adhering to the culture, to the customs, someone who is capable of understanding people's feeling, basically. You are able to estimate the aura, judge upon the situation, I mean the environment that you are in, and you are able to understand people's emotions, sentiments, and you behave accordingly. Basically, you are a peacemaker, is what I'm sensing over here, and this person has been able to recognize that in you. Probably, in the past, this person had done many things, to bring about, that could have potentially brought about a lot of negativity in your connection. And even though you should have parted ways, after some level of coldness, that went on between you two, but no matter what, you always made sure that things did not get ugly, is the sense that I'm getting, Sagittarius. You are that kind of person, and this person now finally is able to, I'm hearing compare. Okay, so this person is comparing your behavior with the rest of the ladies or the gentlemen that they were dealing with, and then they are now able to understand that, Sagittarius, the level of Sagittarius is here, and you know so that is the realization, basically. What will be this person's next action? The Star card. Are you dealing with Scorpio or Pisces? Pisces is a strong energy over here. Gemini is here. Aquarius. Pisces, Gemini, Aquarius. Could be Scorpio. Could be Cancer as well. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, or the Earth sign. Ooh, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What will be this person's next action? I'm seeing the star card. This person basically realizing what exactly they want, and okay, realizing this fact that Sagittarius is my wish fulfillment. Actually, my wishes were already being fulfilled. Why did I even leave? you know Sagittarius, why did I even ruin the situation that I was in? Because I was already so fulfilled. What else was I looking for apart from what Sagittarius was already giving? Let's see their next action. Page of Swords. I see confession, because there are two pages in this reading, but they are scared. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this was at the bottom of the deck. So Five of Pentacles and Seven of Swords. These two are telling about the plight of your person's emotions, and basically psychological instability at the moment, in the sense that they are really scared that you might have moved on. So they are checking your pictures in your social media, and they are trying to make sure that you haven't moved on. They are wanting to see if you are posting picture with some other gentleman or lady, and if you are posting certain pictures with your friends, they are trying to study the body language, how you are standing with certain someone, they're trying to basically figure out if you are already moving on with someone. They might be asking the mutual friends as well, and whenever they think of the possibility of you moving on, they feel quite lonely. They feel like, I'm defeated, how could I even let it go? This cannot be happening, kind of situation. But the star card and the Page of Swords is talking about this person being honest this time around. This is not just the message, but this is the confession of love, confession of feelings, with all honesty. This time around, if this person comes back, then this person is going to be all humble, and honest with you, because they now see you as the High Priestess. Okay, the prospect of new love for you as well. I want to take out cards for that as well. Okay, what is the prospect of new love arrival in the life of my Sagittarius friends, please? Prospect of new love. Okay. Four of Cups. Seven of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is Tower as well as the World card. So what I'm seeing is that the next connection which you'll make with certain someone is going to be someone away from you, someone who's abroad. You might already have made some level of connection. It doesn't have to be emotional. It might, you might just know someone who's abroad, who is far away from you, with whom being together is not that much easy, because there is geographical distance between you two, is what I'm seeing. But this person is all accomplished and very, very much intelligent in your eyes. You feel like this person has been able to achieve so much. Maybe such individual is already there in your life, or maybe it is going to happen in the future. But what I'm seeing is that you will connect with someone who is at distance from you. This is the prospect of new love. Okay, you might choose this person, you might not. You might choose the person who is about whom we did the reading just now, before this. So anything can happen, but I see somebody's presence in your life in the near future, who is at distance from you, who's like bleeding money, who's bleeding money right now, who's very accomplished, could be slightly mature than you. I'm hearing 7 to 10 years of age gap, or maybe 12. But whatever it is, when you'll connect with this person, you'll feel like, I'll have to wait for a very long time to be together with this person, is what you'll feel like. You feel like, I cannot achieve happiness with this person very soon. So this will be the matter. You'll be happy to have encountered this person, but at the same time, you are soon going to realize that practically, things might not move. Yeah, it will be a matter of concern for you. Basically, the geographical distance is going to give you the long hour of wait, and basically you'll be able to see that you'll have to wait to be together with this person, and hence you will feel like, for someone who is so much at distance from me, I cannot really extend anything much. I'll have to hold myself back. I cannot be emotionally attached to someone, who's so far away and with whom I don't know when I'll be able to meet even for the first time. And that is going to give you the tower moment. Or maybe, this could be someone whom you're friends with earlier and is now, away from you in different country, different city. And you are now, finding this romantic dynamic between you two. But at the same time, the distance is going to create, some sort of tower moment for you. So I don't know how much satisfying it is going to be, but someone as such is definitely going to arrive in your life in the near future. Plus this person will come back. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. The rest will be revealed in the next reading. Until the time I meet you again, I love you so much.